like queries on big text tables will crawl. PostgreSQL has a smarter solution. PostgreSQL's tsvector is a special data type designed specifically for full-text search, instead of searching raw text at query time, which means scanning every character in every row. Its tsvector stores a pre-processed, optimized representation of your document. Think of it as a ready-to-search snapshot. You convert your text to tsvector once, store it, and then search that pre-processed form instantly. Inside a tsvector, your text has been transformed into lexemes, normalized tokens that strip away grammatical variation. The word running becomes run. Searching becomes search. This is called stemming. Additionally, stop words. Common words like the a and are removed entirely since they add noise without meaning. What you're left with is a compact set of meaningful root words, each annotated with its position in the original text. Because tsvector is a proper data type, PostgreSQL can build a GIN or GSD index on it. This lets the database find matching documents in milliseconds instead of scanning the entire table. You search a tsvector using tsquery, another specialized type that represents your search terms in the same normalized form, using the match operator, the double @ sign. Tsvector is PostgreSQL's way of pre-processing text into searchable lexemes, enabling fast full-text search with GIN indexes and tsquery matching. Try converting a text column today. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.